All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and today we're going to clean up kind of a wiring and setup mess that is my TrueNas scale editing NAS. Now, background, it is a i3 10th generation background on my server. I use it for editing video footage, this and my other channel. It has 7 SATA SSDs in it, and they are all in various places in this 2U chassis from Silverstone, and also add the ability to add 6 more drives in the future if I deem it necessary. So this is just an IC dock, 6-bay SATA SSD caddy that goes in place of a 5 1/4 inch bay. We're gonna go ahead and install it and clean up the mess that is my server. I have SSDs shoved under here. I've got an SSD here. I've got an SSD here. I've got 2 more over here. They're just kind of shoved kind of everywhere, and I want to clean up this mess. So first things first, let's go ahead and get all the drives, well, resituated. Ow, I just cut the seam out. So these are just kind of stuffed in here with kind of a jury rig method. You know it's going to be a good upgrade day. Within 30 seconds of working on your server, you're bleeding. So. Was able to clean up the wiring mess inside, removed actually 2 modular cables from my power supply that I don't need anymore, just simply because reaching around to various places where the drives were. Now have all 6 of my drives reporting, have all 6 of my drives reporting normal. Everything's working fine. So let's talk about this one drive real quick. There's no redundancy. And the reason for that is I have the applications folder in that drive. I had some weird things going on when that applications was in my mirror pull, and like literally my TrueNas scale idled at 75 degrees because it was constantly pinging all of the cores. So that's why that is. But as you can see, editing is all up and running. Everything is good on that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.